Whew! Day one here at JARS. Oop. Take my mask off since I'm not inside anymore. Boy, aviation training with the mask on. It's gonna be fun. But anyways, I here at JARS, whole family and I, for about a month of flight training with them. And so we are going down to Peru to be missionary pilot family with South America Mission SAM Air. And they do all of their flight training and SOPs and everything like that through JARS. So we're here in Waxhaw, North Carolina. And my goal is I'd love to make a video just of training and some of the cool places we go and get to do. And I love to upload one at least once a week. So subscribe to the channel if you're interested in that. I hope to get some cool footage of with the drone and GoPro stuff and yeah, just learning still video editing stuff. And anyways, this is kind of a fun way to keep people updated. And so subscribe if you're interested in that. And yeah, I'd love to keep this going, kind of a flight vlog thing. I'll be flying a float plane, Cessna 206 float plane in Peru, South America. So I hope to keep this up and keep it going and just kind of show the really cool part of mission aviation and the places we get to go and things we get to see. So yeah, thanks for following along. Short video this time. Just letting you guys know that I'm gonna be doing the flight vlog and hopefully get some really cool stuff here at JARS. But this is the first for me. So I've never flown, always heard about, but I've never flown a Robertson STOL kit equipped aircraft. And so I want to show you guys the cool feature of the Robertson STOL kit if you're not familiar. But when I, watch what happens when I turn on the master switch and lower the flaps. I'm going to show you what the ailerons do. Master on, 5-3 Zulu. And then here's a flap switch. So I'm going to lower the flaps and watch what happens to the ailerons. So that's 25 degrees of flaps, and the ailerons droop with it, which is really, really cool. And obviously just helps you slow down that much more and come in slower. The performance numbers on a Robertson STOL kit are pretty incredible. And if I actually go flaps to full now, the ailerons are gonna go back up just a tad. And then you get full flaps, still drooped ailerons, but a little bit better now at full flaps, a little bit better control. So then now if I just take the flaps up, it's pretty cool to watch them just kind of droop down a little bit again, and they retract back up to normal. again, this is flaps, 25 degrees, and you can see the ailerons droop with the flaps. Which again is just a first for me. I've never flown a Robertson STOL kit equipped aircraft. So it looks like in the back. Pretty cool. I'm really excited to fly this. Start flying tomorrow, my first flight, and in this airplane. So should be pretty cool. Hope I get some good footage and stuff of it.